Artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, learn, and create. In 2025, many powerful AI tools are available completely free. In this video, you'll discover 5 free AI tools that can save time, boost productivity, and help you work smarter. Tool number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most popular AI tools in the world. It can help you write content, answer questions, generate ideas, and solve problems. Students, freelancers, and professionals use it daily for work and learning. The free version is powerful enough for most everyday tasks. Tool number 2. Pictory AI. Pictory AI allows you to turn text into videos automatically. You simply paste your script, and the AI creates a complete video with visuals and captions. It's ideal for faceless YouTube videos, presentations, and social media content. No editing skills are required. Tool number 3. ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generator that produces realistic human-like voices. You can convert any text into professional voiceovers in seconds. It supports multiple languages and accents. Many creators use it for faceless YouTube channels and audiobooks. Tool number 4. Canva AI. Canva AI helps you design graphics, videos, and presentations easily. With AI features like magic design and text-to-image, anyone can create professional visuals. The free plan offers enough tools for beginners and content creators. Tool number 5. CapCut AI. CapCut AI is a free video editing tool with built-in AI features. It offers text-to-video, auto captions, and ready-made templates. It's especially useful for YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok videos. Everything works with just a few clicks. These free AI tools can help you save time, create content faster, and improve productivity in 2025. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or content creator, these tools are worth trying today.